Hi, friends. Today for reading, we're going to be reading this book called We Hop. You have a copy of this book in your backpack. It's one of the paper copies that I sent home with you. So it's not in color like mine. It's black and white. So what I want you to do is push pause on the video. Go find the book We Hop with the kittens on it inside your backpack, and you're going to read it together with me. Okay, so pause your video and then start it, push play when you come back with the book. All right, I want you to get your finger out like mine, and you're going to put it right under the word. And as we read, you're going to move your finger underneath each word. We hop. This is our new sight word this week, W-E, we hop. We hop. We hop. Look at the kittens hopping onto the chair. We hop on the table. Look, there's another one of our sight words, T-H-E, the. We hop on the table. We hop. Look at those naughty cats knocking over the popcorn. All right, let's look at this page. What are they hopping on? This is a hat. Okay, hat. We hop on the hat. We hop. What is this? Those bad kittens. They're hopping on somebody's dress. Yeah, that's a dress. Move your finger with me. Put your finger under the first word, we. We hop on the dress. We hop. All right, good job, friends. Okay, so for your homework, I want you to read this book 2 more times to somebody in your house. It could be your mom, your dad, your grandma, your brother, your sister, your dog, your cat. Your job is to read this book 2 more times today to somebody in your house. All right, good job. Before you go, we're going to read one more book. You don't have this book, so you're just going to have to look at the computer and follow along with me. Okay, this story is about baby animals and how they move. And the story is called We Can. Oh, another sight word, C-A-N, can. We can walk. We can hop. We can climb. Run. They're running. We can run. We can hug. Aww. That's the end of that story. Okay, so remember, the We Hop book, you need to find 2 people to read it to in your house, and that's your homework. Okay, bye friends. Have a good day.